Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Are you tired of your old profile picture and want to update it to a new one? Well, we've got good news for you. In this video, we'll show you how to change your Instagram DP in just a few easy steps. First, open up your Instagram app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap Edit Profile. This will take you to your profile settings. Now, tap Edit Picture or Avatar. This will allow you to change your profile picture. Tap New Profile Picture. This will give you the option to select a new photo from your gallery or take a new one. Select a photo that you like and then tap Next. This will take you to the confirmation screen. Finally, tap Confirm to save your new profile picture, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram DP. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can now have a fresh new look for your Instagram profile. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments below how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.